authorities have issued a blue alert for Ray TX, Morris TX, Marion TX, Ellis TX, Harkins TX, Franklin TX, Ken TX, and Cass TX, beginning at 9:13 p.m. Sunday, November 2nd, and ending at 9:13 p.m. Monday, November 3rd. Blue alert. Jacksonville, Texas suspect is bodied and is wanted for involvement in a serious injury of a law enforcement officer. Then this is a 64-year-old black male, last seen wearing a black jacket and all black clothing, and will be driving a gray 2012 GMC Air with Texas license plate TRW 3919. Call Jacksonville PD with information. If seen, call 911.